In this video, you learn how to completely turn off your Google search history. So let's get started. First off, you have to navigate to google.com. You can do this either on desktop or on your mobile. I'm choosing to do it on my mobile right now. So what you have to do is navigate to the top right and click on your profile picture. Then you can click on search history. Then you have to click on saving to web and app activity. So once you're in here, you'll see the button on the right, turn off. Click on it. And you can just turn it off right now, or you can turn it off and delete your past activity as well immediately. So that's what I will do. Here you can just click on the bottom right and click on next. Here you can choose everything you want to have deleted as well. So I'll choose everything, click on next, and click on delete in the bottom right. So right now you've turned off your Google search history. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.